We'll guide you through how to install mods in Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, mods can go and change how the game goes and works. In Minecraft Bedrock, these can be known as behavior packs and also add-ons as well, but essentially they're mods as they go and change up the game. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, make sure these full guides you know what you need to do to go and download them and then install them. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go and close out of the game like so. I paused it, I'll press save and quit. And then what we're going to do here is I'll come out of here and we can go and close out of it like so. Here we are on the desktop. So what we need to do is go and head to a site where we can go and get these from. Now there are different websites out there. I'll show you my preferred one. If you've got one in mind, you can also go and use that as well. So if you're looking for a site to go and use, the site I like to use is called CurseForge. So you can go and type it in like so, and you can come to the site curseforge.com. Here you can scroll down and you've got Minecraft, but this is Minecraft Java. You find Bedrock, go and click on it. Then you can press browse tool at the top and you can scroll down on the left and select add-ons. These are the mods. Now, just before we get any further, a big shout out to Apex Hosting. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. So we can scroll down here and go and check out some of their great features. For example, 24/7 server support for your always online server. So you can press get your server in the top right. Then you can click here and you can go and select Bedrock Edition and you can then go and get your server and get started. But to go and continue with the guide, you can scroll down here and start browsing through these different mods. So they're going to go and do different things here. So we can come down and start reading them through. There's loads. So one I really like is this one here called Pick Up and Carry. So this allows us to go and pick up players, mobs, or chests with items and carry it. So I'm going to go and click on this like so. Now you can scroll down in the description and read about it. Often there's going to be some really key information here. So as you can see, we need to get BP and RP. I'll guide you through that. And we also need to go and enable beta APIs, which we'll do. So at the top here, we can go and press files, and then we can go and see the most recent ones. So we can come to the right, press the three dots and press download file. We'll go and wait for this to download. Be patient. You can see the countdown here. And like that, it's now downloaded. Then we'll come back here and now we need to go and get BP. So I'll press the three dots to the right and press download file. Go and wait. And just like that, we've now downloaded what we need. So now what we can do is come out of here and we'll go and open up our file explorer and come to downloads and we can go and find them here. Now what you want to do is you can just go and double click on it as it's already got the Minecraft icon, but you may need to go and right click on it, press open with and press choose another app and then select Minecraft and press always. Minecraft's then going to go and open up as you can see, and we should go and get a pop-up in a moment saying successfully imported. As you can see, it now has, and now we can come out of here like so, and we're going to go and do the RP. So we'll double click on it. And it should shortly go and say it will started the import. Go and wait. If nothing happens, just go and close it and then you can go and double click on it like so. And then we should go and get the pop-up saying import started, as you can see. And now it's successfully imported. Now what we can do is go and press play and I'll press create new world. And we'll come and press create new world in the top left. Scroll down to resource packs and I'll press owned in available. And then we can go and turn on pick up and carry, come to behavior packs to the left, and then in available, we can press activate. And then what you need to do is we need to come into experiments and go and find the beta APIs. As you can see here it is, and we can then press turn on experiments anyway. And now what we're going to do is go and press create and go and wait. So for this to work, I need to go and hold crouch and then jump. And as you can see, we're now carrying it. So this is a really cool add-on and mod. And then I can go and place it by clicking here like so.